Hi you guys, we're back with another video. This is owner of Egyptian collection, and today's video is an inventory haul. It has my address on here, so get right to it. Y'all, save this. What I'm pulling out, save it. Just get it on top if you do. Save it. Save it. I'm going to say that for whenever I'm packing orders, I have something to put cushion on. This is from Crafter's Choice. This is my foaming bath wheel. This is the 1 pound. Ooh, next time I'm going to get the 63. That's how it looks. I don't know what that speaks of is, but this is how it looks. So, I still got a lot to order, y'all. Might do a part 3. But yeah. Did I say part 3? I'm in a part 2. I'm talking about some freaking part 3. Box number 2. Cut myself. Y'all, say this too. This is not a familiar face either. This is not a familiar face either. But we all know. TK be trading? No, this is my 5 pound body butter. Oh my. Do y'all not see? It says 5 pound body butter. Oh my. And I know I gotta put them right back in their box because I gotta do a video for Instagram. Open the box that I was super mad about, but so excited to do. And you know when I do this one around, it's gonna be a box inside of a box, so everything gonna be in it. So these are my rollers. My rollers? So how is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That smells good. Rollers. That's what that came into. So that's my rollers now. And here are my new addition babies. Look at my mini pump. My mini body pump. I am gonna go big, but I just thought I'd get mini pumps for now. Okay. Now the box inside of a box is what I've been waiting for. Look, y'all, look at me so refreshing. This on top of lids. If you know, you know. You know how bad when I do these body butters and they get the leaking. So they're gonna give me lids after lids after lids. Because if they did that, then I'm about to be mad. I'm about to be solely mad. Oh no, y'all, the cups is at the bottom. It's at the bottom. Okay. It's at the bottom. I'm not mad. It's at the bottom. I'm about to be mad. I'm about to be like, what the hell? It's at the bottom. I will be reordering. Oh, did I put an extra on top of extra? Okay. Well, y'all, this excludes the inventory haul. I was very pleased and thankful of everything. Hi. So this includes our inventory haul. If you want to see more inventory hauls, please comment below, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.